Okay, welcome to this video. So in the previous video, we looked at how to create a new document with Google Docs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add content to your document. So this is a sentence we added in the first video. So we'll take this out, and then this is a blank document. You can start writing. So let's just I think we should leave that sentence. Okay, this is good enough. Now, adding content to your document, you would have to use the Insert tab. So when you look at the top corner here, you will find File, you will find Edit, you will find View, Insert, Format, you find Tools, and then you find Extensions and Help. So in adding content to our document, we will majorly be using the Insert tab. First of all, we can type anything here, just like we typed this. And then there are other things you can add to your document. We'll bring the mouse, the cursor to this place, create a new line. Okay, saving. All right. Now, when we click on that tab, we can see that we can add an image. When you hover over this image, you can see that you can add the image from your computer. You can search the internet for an image. Take for instance, you are looking for an image of something, but you don't have that image. You can search the internet directly from Google Docs, and then you can add an image from Google Drive, from Google Photos, or you can pull it from somewhere on the internet via a URL, and then you can take a shot, or you can snap with your camera of your laptop, your computer, or your phone. And then you can add tables to Google Docs from here. You can add a new drawing. Now, this we'll talk about this more when we talk about Google Jamboard. All right. So you can add charts, a bar chart, column, line, pie, and you can pull a chart from Google Sheets also. You can add a horizontal line. You can add an emoji. You can add a date. You can add a drop down, a footnote, building blocks. Now, these building blocks you have to. These are they are like templates. They are like templates, content that you put together in specific way, specific manner. So you have meeting notes, email drafts. We'll talk about all of this in details. And then you can add special characters just like symbols and all of those. You can add an equation. Take for instance, you want to type a mathematical equation, you can do this here. You can add a watermark to your document, so it's you can use it to identify that this document belongs to you. Somebody cannot just write his edit the document and just add their own content. So you can add headers and footers to your document here. You can add page numbers if this is page 1, page 2, page 3, especially if you are writing, if the document you are creating is going to have many pages. And then you can add a break. Take for instance, we have typed up to this place. I want to continue from the next page. I don't want to write any other thing here. Then this is where you do that. You can add a break. We'll talk about all of this in details. You can add a link. Take for instance, I want a situation whereby when people click on this document, it takes them to a particular link on the internet. So you can add a link with this, and then you can add a bookmark. You can add table of content.